So you want to make videos without having to think, what videos should I make today? What videos can I make today? Well, you're in luck, because in today's video I will share with you guys the methods I used to get over 60 video ideas in just 30 minutes. So if you're interested in this, make sure to keep watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nwosuellah. I post new videos every Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, sharing vlogs and everything YouTube related. So you should subscribe down below and we could get started. Okay, so the first method I'm going to tell you guys to use is the explore method. And what I mean by this is you should know a lot of big YouTubers in your niche. For instance, I know what my niche is, YouTube tips. If I'm looking for big YouTubers in my niche, I know who and who to go to. So then you should go to their page and go to some of their videos and just check right through their comment. Just keep scrolling through their comments, and trust me, you're going to see people requesting for videos. You're going to see people asking, please make this video for me, please make this video for me, and boom, you have videos that you could make. You know that definitely people are requesting for that video. That means people need to know about that thing, and if you do know about it, why not just push out a video, do your tags correctly, do your thumbnail, do everything correctly, and push out the video. And trust me, you're going to get views on it, because you know that people want to see that video. You know that people are requesting for that video. So the reason we're doing this is because your channel is small and you don't really have people commenting on your video, but in those bigger YouTubers channel, you have people readily and always commenting on their videos, asking them to do this for them and do this for them, because they want to learn it. So if you could make a video about that, definitely people would be searching up that thing that they're all asking for, and you've already put a video out, so your chances of blowing up are actually really high, because now you have a video that you're sure people want to see. So the second method I'm going to tell you guys to use is your interest. Think about the things you like that are related to your niche and make videos about that, because the fact that you like it means several people are going to like it also. And also, any new thing you learn from YouTube in your niche, make a video about it. If you maybe need to know how to upload a banner and then you learn how to upload a banner, after you've gained that knowledge, make sure you make a video about it so that people would also watch your videos when you put it out. Because definitely for you to not know about it means there are several people that also do not know about that thing. So if you put your video out there and you do your thumbnail well and everything you're supposed to do, you make it well, definitely you gain views from that particular video, because people will then watch your videos after you put it out. This type of video serves two purposes, because you know that one, people are actually going to be interested in these videos because you were interested in it, and two, also a very good way to get video ideas. So this brings me to my third method, which is ask your viewers what they want to see, ask your subscribers what they want to see. Make a poll on Instagram or a poll on YouTube or WhatsApp or any social media you're on. Just make sure you ask your subscribers what they want to see. This is actually really powerful, because you'll be giving them what you want to see, thereby gaining video ideas and watch time, because you're sure that they want to see it because they asked for it. So make sure at the end of every video or every once in a while you put it on your Instagram and ask them, what video would you like to see next, what video do you want to see from me, and then make videos about what they ask for, because definitely more people will be interested in whatever they meant. So the fourth method I'm going to tell you is brain dump. This is actually an idea that I got from a YouTuber, Annie. What you do here is set a timer, maybe in 30 minutes. Tell yourself that in 30 minutes I need to have dash number of ideas, and then put out any distraction, your phone, anything that's going to distract you, and then just set that timer and start working, start writing out anything you can think of, any idea that just comes to your head, whether or not it's related to your niche. Just put them down, and when you're done, when the time is up, you go through them, can cancel out the one that is not your niche, cancel out the one that you're not going to be able to do for any reason, and then see what you have left. This works because it has been proven that the brain works faster under pressure. So when you're under pressure, your brain tends to work like a lot faster. So whatever you're thinking, just put it down, and then when you're done, cancel out the one you're not going to be interested in and just do the rest. You see that you get great results, I promise you. This brings me to my fifth tip. Yes, the fifth tip: check your recommended page. YouTube recommends video for you based on what you watch, and most people tend to watch more videos like the ones they produce, because they want to know what's currently raining, or if anything is trending that they do not know about. So they follow a lot of YouTubers that share the same niche with them, so they could compare themselves and know how fast they're growing and how fast they're not growing. I also watch lots of videos from YouTubers that have the same niche as me. So every once in a while YouTube recommends videos about my niche to me, because that's what they see me watching. They see me watching videos about YouTube, and then they tend to recommend more videos about YouTube to me. YouTube recommends videos to me from maybe a video that a YouTuber produced and it's currently blowing up on my niche. They'll recommend it to me in case I'm interested, because they see me watching a lot of YouTube related videos. So if I just keep scrolling, I suggest that you guys should just take like 10 minutes or 20 minutes and just keep scrolling to your recommended page. If you like me and then you watch more videos like the ones you produce, definitely YouTube is going to recommend more videos like that to you. So just take your time, go to your recommended page and just keep scrolling. You're going to see lots of video ideas, and this is actually really important because YouTube recommends videos that are trending. So you definitely know that every video you find here is probably going to do well. If you work on your thumbnail and your SEO tools, they are really going to do well. So just make those videos and put them out and watch yourself and your channel grow. I promise you, they're going to grow. So you can see what I'm doing here. I'm giving you guys video ideas, and not just like telling you guys where to get video ideas from. I'm also telling you guys the video ideas that I know that are going to do well, like they're going to perform really well on your channel if you work really hard to put them in place. So this brings me to my sixth and last method, which is Pinterest. Pinterest is a site for bloggers, and it has like lots of posts. It is like the fastest, easiest and most exciting way to get video ideas. So make sure you utilize Pinterest. How this works is, so how I did this was I opened up Pinterest and then I signed up, and I went ahead and searched for my niche, which is YouTube tips. So I just kind of wrote in YouTube or YouTube tips, whatever you want to write there, and then I saw lots of blog posts about YouTube and YouTube tips, and I could just like scroll through and just keep saving and saving video ideas, because all those things, all those posts that come up are actually video ideas for you that you could make a video about. So you should just take like 30 minutes and just keep scrolling through Pinterest. I promise you, you're going to get lots of video ideas. This is no scam. This is like the best way. Try it out and comment it down. I mean, you're going to give a testimony. This is like a game changer. So what I'm telling you to do now is download Pinterest, sign up and set up your niche there. You're going to see lots of video ideas. Do not copy their post, make it your own, do your own research. Do not just copy and paste everything you get from there. Just copy the video idea and make your own videos about it. Make your own research and put out your own videos relating to that topic. Do not just copy and paste whatever I see on Pinterest in YouTube, because you look like a copycat and you do not want to look like a copycat. So yeah, so that's it, you guys, for this YouTube video. I hope you liked it and found it helpful. If you did, then give the video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Also comment down what video you want to see next. I love you all. Bye.